Hi guys, I'm Colette.
And I'm Jenny, and we are part of the product team at Best Choice Products.
And today we're super excited to show you our brand new line of water hyacinth storage solutions.
Our hyacinth is sourced in Vietnam, and they actually air dry these roots here and then dry them, weave them together.
Which is really cool. It's nice to know that each basket is uniquely made and woven by somebody. Water hyacinth has a very natural, earthy scent.
And our products are no exception, so remember to air dry these for 48 to 72 hours.
The first product that I'm excited to show you is our storage tote with the nice scallop design. As you can see, it has a really nice lid so you can conceal any of your messes. Just toss it in here and cover it up and no one can see it. This tote is super cool and versatile. It can be used as a side table
Or footstool.
or a seat. It also holds so much storage. This one, you could put, look at this, one big blanket, another blanket, and another blanket. Whoa. And there's still one more in there. So as you can see, it holds a lot. It also has this really cute scallop design and a white trim. And it isn't very big, so it doesn't take a lot of room up in your house. And it's just super cute.
Next, we have our Underbed storage collection. It's a set of 2. They come nesting, so you get a smaller and larger one. The smaller one fits things like puzzles, board games, and things like that, memorabilia that you can keep under your bed or just about anywhere. Then we have this larger version. Fits more of the blankets and things like that. And I can roll it.
I would put like all of my really warm big sweaters that I have nowhere to put in here.
And roll it under your bed.
Super nice. So where do you use these in your house?
Well, I got the 2-pack. My sister uses hers under a twin bed, and I use the bigger one on my full bed.
Nice. The next product that we're gonna be sharing with you is our 6-piece bathroom set. We call it a bathroom set, but really the best thing about this product is you can use it anywhere in your house for literally anything. One of the pieces is a really cute trash can.
And it has a removable insert.
Wow. So nice. Another piece is the toilet paper holder, but you can use it for magazines, books.
It fits up to 6 rolls. Am I right, Colette?
Yes, 6 rolls can
And-
fit. Some more pieces that come in the set are the tissue box cover, which I like because usually tissue boxes I think are pretty ugly when you buy them from the store. So it's nice to have it covered and a cute little accent.
And it also fits perfectly in some of our trays.
Yeah, how cute is that? Another piece is it's just a little canister. We like to put cotton balls in or Q-tips in the bathroom.
I'm always looking for the best deal.
Same.
And this would have been $30, another $10, $15 here, probably over $125, and we're so under that.
Yes.
This is our 3-piece scalloped set. Look at how big this is.
And it's so cute. I'm actually obsessed with this one.
So that's the bigger piece. We have a medium. Colette, pull.
So we have the small, we have the medium, and the large, and they just offer a ton of storage.
The medium is very versatile. You can use it anywhere, but one of the places I think is with a plant inside of it. Also, this is a different weave type. It's called rice nut. So you can see here, this kind of looks like little rice.
This is the small one, and I like to use this for dog toys in my house. The scallop trend really leans into that cozy, nostalgic look that we're all loving right now.
It adds a sweet elevated detail that makes even storage feel special. This is one of my favorite ones. It's a 3-piece chunky basket set, and believe it or not, this is the smallest size.
I would put the big one in my living room. The medium one I'd probably put in my bedroom, can fit any kind of catch-alls, maybe clothing or anything that you just need extra storage for. It's perfect.
What's really cool about this one, it has 3 different weave types. So we have the chunky braids in the front, the rice nut here, and a flat bottom.
Our set of 3 nesting baskets is the same price as just one that's already selling online. This is another one that I absolutely love. It's so cute and functional.
It's a 3-tier cart, has wheels that could also be removable. 2 of them are locking.
You can use this in your bathroom, you can use it in your bedroom, or even the kitchen. It might be nice.
This is perfect for nursery. I actually gifted it to my friend. So she keeps the diapers up here because it has a flat bottom. And then she keeps rash creams and everything she needs in the bottom tiers.
I actually have this at home and I use it for my arts and crafts. Why are you laughing? This 3-tiered utility cart comes in 2 colors, this beautiful chestnut color, and then also this really nice natural color.
These are only a few products of our Water Hyacinth collection, but we have more at bestchoiceproducts.com.
Come check us out.